Hello and welcome to the Beyond the Essential Oil Recipe Summit. I'm Elizabeth Ashley. Some of you will know me by my author name, The Secret Healer, and I will be your host throughout the summit. I just want to welcome you here and tell you how excited we are that you've decided to join Gergle, Halodi and myself in our summit, but also the 50 or so fantastic aromatherapy speakers who have very kindly gifted us aromatherapy masterclasses. Now, just to reassure you, all of the classes are free to listen to. They'll stay on air throughout the summit for a week, and so to just make sure that we don't miss anybody out, I just need you to give me your name and email address. Then we can make sure that we're flagging up all your favourite speakers to you, and to make sure you don't miss out on any of their lectures. But also, hopefully we'll never need it, but just in case there's any technical issues that we need to flag up to you, name and email address will be very, very useful to make sure you know exactly what's happening at every possible moment. So I'm looking forward to talking to you more. I'm sure you'll get sick to the back teeth of seeing me, because, as I say, there's going to be over 50 lectures, of which I am on at least 40 odd. So, welcome, and leave me your name and email address, and hopefully over the next few weeks I'll be able to send you some little tidbits about the summit, and some exciting extra little bits and pieces to keep you excited until we start on November the 19th. So welcome and thank you. It's great to see you here.